Life is a cycle, even for products in a fully integrated digital factory. Take a chocolate bar, for example. Everything starts with the design. Customer data, like flavor and color trends, are analyzed by artificial intelligence technology and visualized by 3D software, which improve the design massively. Okay, next up is the production process. Production creates huge amounts of data every second, all of which you can use for better management and control of the output. You don't want to own the production machine? Fair enough. You can use your machine data and the IoT environment for a pay-as-you-use model. Now let's talk about maintenance. You can predict the future with advanced analytics methods and order spare parts to arrive right in time when they will be needed. Through collaboration tools and augmented reality, your on-site engineers can additionally be supported by remote expertise. To create great chocolate, quality checks are indispensable. Picture recognition powered by deep learning technology makes this process efficient and fast. High-performance computing as well as quantum computing will speed up this process even more. Now all that's left to do is sell your tasty chocolate. You can gain information about who is buying your product, as well as when and where, with intelligent point-of-sale devices like connected coolers or shelves. With this information in mind, your next product design process starts at an improved level, and your chocolate bar's life cycle will go on forever and ever.